Just a little ride through Velma, Oklahoma on a snow day, which is pretty rare because it usually don't snow this south in Oklahoma. A few people out. Pretty sure there's no school today. Been snowing since about 5 o'clock this morning. It's almost 11 now. Yeah, we don't have much snow equipment out here. I don't know if you saw back there. There was a road grader doing some snow plowing. That's about all we got. Usually the whole town shuts down. Barber shop in town up here in this little building on the left. Somebody had a good idea, buy one of them storage sheds, a big one, and she turned it into a barber shop. I'll spin around in there in the barber shop parking lot. But yeah, it's closed. Head back home. It's a little road trip from Velma, which is the closest town to where I live, in Alma. A-L-M-A. Population, who knows? Probably maybe only 100. Velma here, I'm sure, has got, I don't know, 1,500, 2,000 people left. There's two convenience stores. Speedy G's, pretty popular. Right across the street from Speedy G's is E&J Oil, but they have a feed store and a convenience store too. Everybody in town supports them both. They both got great food. A lot of fried food. That's how it is. Everybody in Southwest Oklahoma loves their fried food. It's a good way to put a few pounds on. I don't know how long this video will last. I got my phone suction cupped to the windshield and keeps falling off. Gotta start using some of the new equipment I bought. I did buy an action camera, cheap one, with a whole bunch of attachments. I haven't used it yet. Little Speedy G's. The Sinclair station is E&J's. left. I must say I am in automatic four-wheel drive right now. Doesn't look like much snow, but probably 2-3 inches, but it's pretty slick. It's like grease. Pretty nice looking out here though. Beautiful little winter wonderland. It does snow here just about every winter, but nothing major. Just sometimes a quick dusting. It's not even measurable. Then it melts in an hour. This is the longest lasting. I've been living in Oklahoma here for about 3.5 years, and this is the first major snowstorm I've seen. Being from Massachusetts, this is nothing for me. Nice little ride, get out of the house. Get out of the house, go slow, take it easy. Sorry for the bouncing. Suction cup is making my phone bounce pretty good. But we'll get over it. This is old Route 7 I'm on right now. Coming through the backside of Velma, Oklahoma. I'll be taking a right up here pretty soon. Cross over the what they call a new highway, but it's been here for a while. It's Route 7. They still use old Route 7. I do, because you don't have to do 65, 70. Take it easy. Just runs parallel with 7. I'll cross over Route 7 onto Alma Road, A-L-M-A. That's where I live, in little tiny town, Alma. At one time it was a booming little town. During the oil boom, I heard it was a pretty big town. Well, not big, it was a small town, but it had a lot of people. And had its own post office and school system, high school, middle school, and all that. But we don't have any of that anymore. We actually, we're right up the road from Velma, but we don't use we use their high school and their school system, but as far as the post office goes, it comes out of Duncan, which I don't understand why, because Velma does have a post office, but all our packages and letters come from Duncan, which is 20 miles or more away. Put all these little new oil fields in last year. hopefully now in 2025 with the new administration, they may start putting in a lot more oil rigs, because this area of Oklahoma is full of oil. I mean, you can't look anywhere without seeing a oil well or a pump jack pumping away. A lot of oil here. A lot of old money. Sometimes people live in campers out here, trailers, old shacks falling down, and right next to them's a $1 million mansion or more, you know. It's weird. Other cities, you know, you have certain neighborhoods, poor neighborhood, middle class, and rich. It's not like that here. The rich live next to the poor, and they all get along. Taking a left, or I'm sorry, not a left, a right up here. Right here, you can barely see the street. I'll get the dust knocked off my truck. Yeah, I gotta take it easy here because this stop sign coming up right here. It's a downhill, and if I slide into Route 7, it's a state highway, Route 7. There's people coming at you 70, 75 miles an hour. Hopefully they're not going that fast today. It looks clear both ways, so just zip across. This is Elma Road, little one-horse town. Windshield wipers they wipe good, but man, they make noise. It's time for some new ones. Yeah, I moved here from Western Massachusetts, and it is so quiet out here. I'll tell you what, at first I missed home because there's really not a lot out in here where I live. I mean, you can go into towns, different towns, go into Duncan, and there's everything you want, all the stores. But I'll tell you what, I wouldn't change it for the world now. I got used to it. Every time you drive by a car, they wave at you. That tells you there's not a lot of people. Whether they know you or not, every car you pass by waves. I used to think it was pretty crazy when I first moved here and be like, what the hell are you waving at me for? I didn't know, but Southern hospitality, you can't beat it. Some people say Oklahoma's a Midwest state, but we're right in the middle of the country, south though, and Dallas is only, you know, the way, depending on how you drive, it's only an hour away. Yeah, people argue over it, whether we're a Midwest or a Southern state. try to make these videos not too long. 15-20 minutes, maybe a half hour max, just so people don't get too bored. But just give you a look of this part of the country. I'd appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up. Maybe give me a comment whether you like the video or not. If you don't like it, comment. Tell me you don't like it. Make different videos. I don't know. I do tool reviews. I video animals. I don't care. I'll video anything. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to do. But yeah, thumbs up or any kind of comment. Even if you don't like the video, tell me I suck. It helps with the algorithm. You can look me up. I've got about 20 videos out there. You can look me up at Dan Hanke, DANHANKE, or there's two of us out there with the same name. Or you can get my videos at Tapin Steady, TAPEINSTEADY. That'll get you all my videos without bumping into the other guy. Yeah, I haven't got more than 800 or 900 views on any of my videos. I'm not monetized. This is all free, and it does cost me a little bit of gas money and time. So if you could just give me a thumbs up or like the video or anything, hopefully someday I get a little bit of cash to pay for gas. I'm sure I'll never get rich on this stuff, but you never know. They say if you don't try, you'll never know. Beautiful, huh? Look at this. You can't buy this scenery right now. Cannot buy it. I am almost home. Back home to my 4+ acres, almost 5. It's like a sheet of ice out here. God damn. Pull in the driveway here. Be lucky to get up the driveway. Alright, this is going to be the end of the video. I'm going to jump out, grab me a beer, and go watch some TV. Upload this video. Y'all have a good day.